one of these days, when we come back from the cruise, we're going to make pepper roti, yeah? We're going to make pepper roti.
Hi, it's me Deepa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to do so and hit that notification bell so every time I post new videos, you will be notified. So as you all know, we're heading on our first cruise. It is Aunty Roger's 80th birthday, so we're here at her home. And on this day, which is the day before we leave for the cruise, we are having a little lime for her. So she knows we're having a get together, but she doesn't know what we're making. She doesn't know what we have in store. I also have a cousin who is coming over to surprise her. She have not seen him in years, and he is coming as well. So it's going to be a huge surprise. And yeah, so that's basically it. We're just cooking up a storm. We're having dinner. Everybody going to come over, and we're just going to have a nice time and surprise her with cake and some decorations and all of that. So mommy is preparing some finger foods first. It is earlier in the day, and I will be preparing most of the dinner but not all of it. So mommy's making macaroni. So where did macaroni pie come from? Mommy's making aloo pie. I am making sweet potato pie, and my cousin Kendra, her husband, her baby, they are on their way from New Jersey, so they're on a flight right now. So we're just preparing everything, so by the time they get there, we don't have a lot of stuff to do. Lunch is already prepared, and when they come, we have other tasks and other things, other surprises for her. But we're just making sure food is prepared so we don't have to do this. So this is kind of early in the morning. I'm just prepping everything. Oh my god, sweet potato pie is so delicious, as you can see. My face says it all. But yeah, so we're just preparing everything so we don't have all of this to do later. For breakfast, we're gonna have aloo pies that mommy is making, and also when my auntie Lila is going to pick up Kendra and her husband Luke and the baby Nyan, she will take over some pies. Do you all do that when you go in the airport? You take something for whoever coming in. You take something over to eat for them to eat, you know, so they have a little bite, even though they probably munching on things in the plane. You know, is that your tradition as well? Because we do it in our family. Like, you must meet something, or at least take something, buy something, whatever. It must have something for that person who's flying in to have to eat. We have to do that. So yeah, so some aloo pies for them, and I'm sure they'll be happy for it. And I'm just helping mommy fry up some aloo pies right now. She's busy just filling them and preparing them, and this look real good. Oh my god, look at how it swell up. It was so delicious. I love aloo pies, but the only problem, flour does not agree with my stomach. I can't have too much, but I still have it. So yeah, aloo pies came out so good. So this will be breakfast, and this is the whole thing. I made tofu. We have a lot of vegetarians in our family. I also did some sautéed vegetables. Mommy also mixed up some pylori. Check her out there. She loves making pylori and she's good at it. This is the birthday girl next to me here. This is Aunty Raj, and she's not allowed to do anything. She just has to relax today. And yeah, so I made tofu. I made that with sweet potato pie. I am now making some fried rice, and everything is going to be prepared when everybody comes over. Nothing really to do. The only thing left to do is now decorate, and when it's time to decorate, we are going to just tell Auntie she has to go in her room and do not come out and do not see anything. So yeah, so I love to garnish anything that I am making with fresh herbs when I'm finished. I love to see color in food, so I put fresh vegetables and herbs and stuff like that. So even if I cook something with vegetables, I leave some back so to keep that crunchiness, you know. So this is gluten-free pasta. As I said, I do not do well with flour, and trust me, chickpea pasta is one of the best pastas. It's so delicious, and it actually holds really well. when you're making any kind of gluten-free pasta, don't overboil it too much because it will break apart, right? Remember, it doesn't have that gluten to kind of hold it together. This pesto is the best. Now, we got this in Costco, but you can get this in Trinidad. It is sold in Price Mart, and it is so delicious. I love pesto. Pesto is one of my favorite sauces. So Auntie Raj, she's just busy looking for dishes so we can dish everything out and, you know, have everything like a nice buffet style dinner waiting when everybody gets here. And I couldn't stop tasting this pasta because it was so good. It was so good. It was so good. So it is coming to the end almost. Everything is almost prepared, and I was on my phone right through because we have our surprise cousin coming over. Auntie Raj does know Kendra, Luke, and Nine is on their way, so they are not the surprise because she knows that they are coming. So I did film it. I filmed when my cousin Anderson came because she have not seen him in so many years. So she was so happy, and I will show you all that in the next video. But yeah, all the food is finished. Everything is ready. No more cooking. The only thing we're left to do when everybody comes over, we'll be frying pylori outside. I think Mommy left some aloo pies as well to fry later. You know, we must have some fresh salad, so you know, we quickly made some fresh salad. And I also did shrimp. I think Mommy made the shrimp. I can't remember, but I did not show that in the video because at this point we were just trying to, you know, do everything quickly because it was almost time to go to the airport. And we really didn't want to have a lot of food to be cooking and stuff when everybody gets here. We want to relax and have fun together. So yeah, I didn't film that part of it, but that shrimp was so good. So Kendra and them, they are here. This was one of the surprise. She was still surprised because they haven't seen each other in a long time. But stay tuned for the next surprise, who is Anderson. So I'll be showing you guys Auntie Raj's reaction, and stay in touch. Stay close to that screen because the next video will be coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, bye.